everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to fix Brawl Stars app crashing after an update. If Brawl Stars crash right away after an update, this usually means the update didn't install cleanly. First, restart your phone. This alone fixes many post-update crashes. Next, check the app store if there is a update or a follow-up update or patch. Developers release quick fixes after major updates, so make sure your app is updated to the latest version. On Android, clear the app's cache. On iPhone, make sure that your iOS version is compatible with the latest Brawl Stars update. If crashes continue, then go ahead and long press on the Brawl Stars screen and icon and then remove app and delete it. Next, go to the App Store and reinstall it again. After reinstallation, log back in. Now, if the app still crashes, wait for the update. Some crashes are known bugs that can only be fixed by Super Sale, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.